Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You've got basic prerequisites ready. Now start a project. Open Keyword Tool. Select the search engine and country. This sets intent and volume context. Enter your seed topics or paste a competitor domain. Use 520 items so results stay focused. Once entered, choose the match type and toggle filters like question or longtail. Make sure to set language. It affects stemming and suggestions. Hit Generate and watch the tool expand your seeds into hundreds of keyword ideas. This begins the data you'll use. Once results appear, focus on refinement. Sort by search volume or CPC to find opportunity. Low competition with decent volume is ideal. Use filters to exclude branded terms, set minimum word length, or isolate question format queries for content hooks. Click the metrics toggle to reveal trends and difficulty estimates. Compare keywords side by side. If you plan bulk work, export a CSV or sync to Google Sheets so you can add tags, intent labels, and prioritize a content calendar or PPC list. Now implement your chosen keywords across content and ads. Map each target to a specific page title, header, and meta description so intent aligns. Prioritize cornerstone pages first. Start monitoring ranks and traffic. Make small adjustments every 2 to 4 weeks and export updated lists before making bulk edits. If results look incomplete or empty, clear browser cache, rerun the query, and confirm you haven't hit account limits. If the tool stalls, reload the session or reduce batch size to isolate the issue and continue working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.